In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom property in Klaviyo. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand side menu and scroll down until you see the Audience option. Click on it once to expand the menu. From the expanded list, select Profiles. This will open a page displaying all the profiles stored in your account. You can scroll through the list or use the search box at the top to find a specific profile by name or email address. Once you've located the profile you want to edit, click on it to open it. Scroll down a bit until you find the Custom Properties section. Next to it, you'll see an Add Custom Property button. Click on it and a new entry field will appear. Here, you can type in the name of the property you want to add. Klaviyo may also suggest existing property names, including any default ones or custom ones you have created in the past. If you're adding a completely new property, simply type its name manually. After naming the property, enter a value for it in the corresponding field. This value can be any piece of information you want to associate with that subscriber, such as preferences, membership level, or any data relevant to your campaigns. Once you've entered the name and value, click Add Profile Property. The property will now appear in the Profiles list of custom properties. The next time you add a property to any profile, previously used custom property names will appear automatically as suggestions, making the process quicker. This is how you can create and use a custom property in Klaviyo.